Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the nozzle on the SOVOL SV07. Okay, so first of all you got to heat the printer up to about 100, or if you want 200, and then start the cool down. And then when the cool down starts, you got to take this silicone sock off. So let me show you how to do it right now. Okay, so now I'm on the printer, and as you can see, that's nozzle. You want to change that. So first of all, above the nozzle, you can feel it. Make sure the extruder is not hot. Make sure the hot end is not hot, because you will burn yourself. Okay, so be careful. You can feel there's this silicone like thing. It's called the silicone sock. Okay, so as I said, we have to take it off. So there are pliers that come with the 3D printer. I did not use these though. I just used these other pliers that I had. I'm not sure the precision ones that come with the 3D printer will work, but I just use this, so just letting you all know. Okay, so then while it's cooling down, you just hold on to it and you pull it down. As you can see, it's off. Okay, so now you have to heat the extruder to 210 degrees. So 210. Okay, so now the extruder is 210 degrees. Make sure you use gloves. You don't need to, but I highly recommend it. These are like these garden gloves, but they're also like really heat resistant. So I'm just gonna put them on. And this, it should come with the 3D printer. So basically, you take it and then you put it on the nozzle, put it on it, and you just unscrew it. It's really easy. And as you can see, it's off. If you came from my other video where I'm talking about how you can unblock the SOVOL SV07, now's a good time to use this. It came with the printer. So just put it in the top, put it through, and hopefully it comes through. If it doesn't, that means the block was not in the nozzle. It was somewhere else. So that's good to know. Now when you're putting the new one in, it's really easy. Just take the new one, put it in to this tool, and then just screw it in. Make sure it's still at a high temperature. And after everything is done, make sure to cool it down. Cool the extruder down, and put the silicone sock back on. And then that's how we change the nozzle on the SOVOL SV07. Make sure to comment and tell me whether this worked for you, whether you had any problems, and also like and subscribe. Bye bye.